Welcome back to Joan's Junk Journals and More. Today is day 5 of the 100-day project. Time for a little nature. Here I am using some vintage wrapping paper and flowers that I got at the swap tent a while ago. The gold leaves and dots were from Dollarama. First, I glue the wrapping paper to both sides of the card to make it sturdier. After, I had to use another card as a template to make sure that I punched the slots in the right spots. Here, I round the corners with my favorite corner rounder. The Amazon link to it is listed below with some other supplies that I use and love. Those of you who've been following me for a while now know that I love inking, especially on something like this to make it look more vintage yet. Time to prepare the leaves and flowers now to put on my card. Now I will use my hot glue gun to glue on the leaves, then flowers, and lastly the gold pearl stickers.
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and I'm breaking into. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, I'm talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling like a secret I can keep. I'm letting it go, I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. There's no place left to hide away your memory and found me yet. Tonight, nothing left to dream. And this broken lullaby is all that's left to sing. I keep waiting for you, I can't make it without you next to me. Oh no, Tonight, I opened up my eyes.
Final step. I stamp the card with the number 5 to represent day 5 of the 100-day project. Thank you for joining me again on this 100-day project adventure. I love and appreciate you all and hope to see you again tomorrow.